Introducing the Comet 360 GP Pro CC or CKXS High Performance Jacket. This jacket is made of 1.4 millimeter thick leather cow or kangaroo hide and is lightweight, high perforation, and is designed for maximum rider comfort. It has perforated front, shoulder, sleeve, and upper and lower back panels, as well as the neck above the hump. It includes flex action shoulder panels that reach from the top front of the shoulder around the back and above the elbows for freedom of movement. It has an optional aerodynamic hump. It includes zippered sleeves, external pockets, as well as an internal security pocket. Comet Velcro lockdowns are included on the sleeves and the waist. Stretchable shoulder Key Protect Kevlar panels are included from the neck down the inner sleeve for maximum mobility of the chest and forearms. Neoprene is used for comfort and mobility at the back of the neck. There are CE-approved internal removable pads at the shoulder, elbow, forearm, and back for your protection. This jacket also contains a removable inner liner. The Comet 360 GP Pro CCXS High Performance Jacket is shown with the Comet 360 GP Pro CCXK Full Motion Racing Pants. All high performance jackets can attach to your 360 GP Pro pants with a zipper that crosses the lower back.